Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead and beyond. And you can see today sunshine has returned to the Arklatex, and it looks like we'll see a couple of days of pleasant weather here before a big cold front early Saturday brings back some cold to the Arklatex. Here's a look at the weather pattern across the country right now. And you can see the upper level disturbance that we were watching yesterday has moved away. We've seen the resumption of this northwesterly flow, which is continuing to provide us with some dry air. Well to the northwest, there's a pretty good disturbance off of the coast of the Pacific Northwest. What's going to happen is this is going to go over the top of the ridge and then dive into the middle of the country moving forward. And as that happens, we will see much colder air arrive, and there is a small chance we might see a few flakes of snow as the main upper level low gets close to us Saturday night, but that shouldn't cause too many issues. Until then, smooth sailing in the weather department. A quick look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast shows that tonight we will see a mostly clear sky. Temperatures a bit on the chilly side and a few degrees above normal. Tomorrow I expect to see lots of sunshine. That sunshine will combine with the westerly wind to warm us into the lower 70s across a good chunk of the area. Tomorrow night we'll see a mostly clear sky with temperatures again slightly above normal. And then Friday we start off with sunshine. We will likely end with a bit of an increase in the clouds late Friday, and you can see the cold front, which is going to be waiting in the wings off to our north and west. Switch over to the longer range version of Futurecast, and you can see that front will make its way into the area here very late Friday night into Saturday morning. By Saturday 6 a.m. the front approaching Texarkana. Notice a few scattered showers trying to develop ahead of the front. That rain will increase during the morning hours and then move out of the area, and we'll see this northwesterly wind bring in some cooler air to close Saturday, as we'll see temperatures Saturday afternoon probably a good 15 degrees cooler than what's on the way for Friday afternoon. And notice to the north that Futurecast showing quite a bit of snow here across parts of southern Missouri, eastern Oklahoma, western Arkansas, a little bit of a winter mix possible. It is possible that the northern edge of the Arklatex could see a few flakes as the upper level low moves by, but the majority of the issue causing snows will fall well to our north over the border sections of Arkansas and Missouri this weekend. Now, after we get past basically Saturday night, we will see the clouds gradually begin to move out as we progress our way through Sunday morning. And we're not looking at very much as far as rainfall, as most of the Arklatex will see totals that will be less than 1/10 of an inch here this weekend. Longer range, there is another disturbance, actually a couple more disturbances we'll be watching. You can see that upper level low approaching the Pacific Northwest this evening. Watch how it goes over the ridge into the middle of the country. You can see all the snow across the Midwest. As this upper level low approaches, we'll see that quick shot of maybe a few flakes Saturday night, and then we'll dry out again Sunday, Monday, probably Tuesday, and much of Wednesday. Late Wednesday, a weak disturbance will give us a shot for some showers, and then heading into maybe Friday, or actually Wednesday night, Thursday, we'll have to keep an eye on this disturbance, which previous runs of this model did show a little bit of rain in here for Thursday night, Friday. It now appears as if it may stay to our south. And as I mentioned, if you add the rain from all of these disturbances, the majority of the models keeping totals well below 1/2 inch here during the course of the next week and a half. So tonight, expect a clear sky across the Arklatex. Typically this time of year, overnight lows in the mid to upper 30s. We'll see lows tonight, mid to upper 30s north to the lower 40s south. Right around 42 tonight in Shreveport, 39 degrees in Texarkana, 38 degrees in Linden. Tomorrow, a pleasant day, probably the best day of the week, as we'll see lots of sunshine and pleasant temperatures. Highs over most of the area in the low 70s, looking at 72 degrees in Texarkana, 70 I should say in Texarkana, 72 in Shreveport, 72 also the high temperature tomorrow in Marshall. Keep in mind normal highs now right around 58, and it looks like we will fall back to normal for Saturday with that front coming through. Again, the best chance of rain Saturday will be in the morning. Other than that, Saturday looking to be a very windy day once again. Sunshine will try to return Sunday, and then we will see our next chance of rain sometime during the middle part of next week. And notice, between these disturbances, another warm-up back up close to 70 by Tuesday will then cool off again towards the end of next week. So all in all, pleasant weather here for the next few days with a big cold front slated to bring cooler temperatures and a slight chance of rain as we look ahead to Saturday.